Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sheyi Dairo. Today in this video guys, I want to show you how you can make money by watching TikTok videos. I know this is very strange to you. You are like, watching TikTok video and I will be making money? Yes, you can make money while you watch TikTok videos. So instead of you wasting your data watching videos, I want to show you how to make money from TikTok doing something you may not know. So I want to show you this one. Practically I want to show you everything now. But before I go, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to help yourself and to help me in return is to hit that subscribe button now. Then give me a like on this video and drop a comment. That comment will be our keyword working or SEO ranking working for this video, and that is make money on TikTok. Make money on TikTok. Or I will drop those keywords I need. The keyword I need for this video, I'll drop it in the screen here. Now please make sure you include this in your comments. So without further ado guys, let me walk you through this system now. Let's go. So first thing to do now, this is TikTok. I'm using my PC to open this TikTok, and you can also use your phone, your mobile phone to access it. So what we want to do now is we want to look for the viral video. That will be this next thing for you to do. Look for a viral video or trending video, or a video you know that this video have a lot of engagement. I know it's somehow catchy, you know. Now how are you going to do that? Using your PC now, the first thing to do is to come here. You see explore here, so click on this explore button here. All right, let me mute this. Should be in case you're using your mobile phone and you don't see this explore button there, what you should do is, let me use my phone to guide you. All right, I want to show you now using my phone, so that should be in case I know majority of you watching this video, you are using your mobile phone. So that's why I want to use my mobile phone to guide you how you can make minimum of, let's say, 5,000 naira on TikTok daily. At least 5,000 naira daily on TikTok, free, but you will pay some price. That is, you have some things to do in order to make it work. It's not like maybe you will just sit down and the thing will just be working for you. No, you will do some certain things. You are not paying, it's free, but you will do some certain things to make money. All right, so let's go now. Now your TikTok account, you can see my own TikTok now here. So what you do now is to go to your profile. So click on your profile. So when you click on the profile, the next thing to do is to click on this 3 parallel lines at the edge. Maybe you can see it here. Three parallel lines here. Can you see it? All right, so I will click on this now. Then you go to creator tools. Click on creator tools. I hope you have done that. So you have to slide down. See my own creator tool. See, I will slide it so that I will see. You see some videos here. So out of these options, you will see trending. So you see similar and you see trending, and you know, so this trending now, that is the one you will click on. Click on this trending. So when you click on trending now, you'll see different videos here. You can see now. So you see different videos. You can slide up. So these videos are also known as viral videos, or let me say trending videos, right? But using my laptop now, I will still show you another way if you are using your PC now. So let's go again. Now from this now, let's see, it's even good if you are using your PC, because PC will actually help you to go more deeper. If you watch closely, you see that there's nothing like explore. I don't think explore is visible on using mobile phone. I don't know, maybe, but many people don't have it again. So you can go, is it based on singing and dancing, comedy, sports, and these relationship shows? You know, you can differentiate what you want to, the kind of videos you want, right? But let's see, I'll use our videos. You know yourself that this video is catchy, like people will have interest to watch this video, you know. So let me keep scrolling down. You see, these are viral videos, you know, people will have interest to watch. So like this guy now, you see that this guy is one kind of popularly known guy both home and abroad. This guy, so you may use this guy. Just think of anybody you know that like many people will have interest to know what's up again, you know. All right, look at this Kiss Daniel Twe video and look at how this young child danced to this video. So like people may want to have interest in this, and so let me use this. I click. So look at this now. All right, so I want to copy this now. I will copy link to this now. Copy. The next thing I want to do is to screenshot this. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is to screenshot this. So let me come here, screenshot like this. Good, I have it. So for now, I have screenshot this and I have clicked the link to this video now. So next thing to do now is to head straight to our Canva. So this is Canva. The next thing to do is to click on create a design, or if you're using your mobile phone, you can click see maybe a plus signal, just anyhow, just click on create a design here. So the next thing to do is to choose Pinterest. So Pinterest pin, and that is what I want to look for now. This is 1000 by 1500. So this is the pin. I'll click this one here now. All right, next thing to do now is to come here. It is that you say, okay, you don't need to select any of this, just let's go and upload, then click on upload file. So this is the capture, this is the screenshot I have on my phone. I'll upload this now, then I click okay. When click, this thing has shown in the page here, working page. So I want to fit this down into this dimension, bring it up. Okay, oh good. So look at this now. So this is what we have. Next thing to do is to click here. Let me save this video. Oh no, before I go, let me look for play button here, so that this will be like a cache symbol for people that are viewing this thumbnail now. So here now I'll come to this elements, click on elements, then search for play button here. See different play button here. I'll click on see all. So let me pick one here. All right, so look at it here. So I think like this is attractive and catchy for anyone that see this image now to click on this play button now. So that's what I want to achieve now. Next thing to do is to download this now. Download. All right, so let's head straight to the next part of this now is to go to Pinterest. So this is pinterest.com. It's still loading. So while this is loading, I believe you are enjoying this video. So guys, please drop a comment and please make sure you add any of my keyword there in the comment box so as to help this video to rank well. Okay, let's go again. So now this is my Pinterest. I just want you to use this one now to explain some things for you. So then next thing to do is to click here, click on create. So this is created. Then from here now you create a pin. Now click on create pin. So I need to upload this our image we designed on in the Canva here. We can either drag the thing and put it here, or let me click here now to. All right, now you see the one I just downloaded through Canva. So I'll click on this one now, then click on open. Great. Now look at it. So now we want to use cache title now. Cache title. So let me quickly give you cache title. Then we are going to use SEO ranking description for this, and the link. Don't forget the link. I think I have copied the link. So let me see if I can paste it again. Good. Look at it there. Now this is the link, TikTok. So next thing now is to use cache title for this now. So let me quickly do that. Okay. All right, now look at how I brainstorm my own step on TikTok. All right, so next thing to do now is to click on cut this now. We want to do the kind of SEO ranking title and description for this, because this is what will actually bring engagement to this and the traffic we need for this link now. Okay, so next thing to do is, oh sorry, I made a mistake. I don't this link now is not something I should put here now, but I'm still coming to do that. We are not putting the link directly here, so I'm coming to rectify that. But let's quickly do this title and description. So next thing to do now is we are heading straight to ChatGPT. So let's go, guys. So this is ChatGPT and these are the prompts here. So from here now, click on this search here, then click on Pinterest. All right, see Pinterest. So you are going to see different prompts for Pinterest here. Oh good. Pinterest pin description, Pinterest caption, hashtag, and catchy title. Good. Top 10 Pinterest title and description ideas. Wow, I don't even know which one to go for. Pinterest title and description generator. Oh god. So let me start with this one. Let's see. Okay, let me start with this one. Then keyword. Now let me put this here and let's see what will happen. Enter. Okay, now look at the result we get now. This is the title and caption. Unbelievable. Look at this. Dancing girl wow kiss. Unbelievable dance moves. Little girl stones kiss Daniel on TikTok. Watch out. You know, this one also tiny dancers big moments. She's Daniel's taking aback on TikTok. Let me try another one, another prompt. Pinterest. At least I need title and description. So let me go and check. Okay, look at the Pinterest pin description. Okay, top 10 Pinterest title and description ideas. 10 Pinterest SEO title and description. Let me check this one. Okay, now let's see the description. It's okay like this. So let me go for any one of these without wasting our time. Oh, great. So copy, and let's go here, paste. So description now, good. See the hashtag, everything. Oh, this is mad, man. Great. So this one now, I will not put this one because this is where we are going to make our money. So cut. Now the link, now we are going to use this thing to shorten the link and make money. This is where we are heading to now. We are coming to this site, shrinkme.io, and I have $1 here. Let me quickly show you something. If you click on that link, just check the description box or comment box. I will pin this link here now. If you click on the link, it will take you here. It's the highest paying URL short now. Join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. If you have 10,000 views based on clicking on your link now, you earn this amount of money here now. So you have to sign up. If you click on that link, check the comment box. I'll pin it there. If you click on it, it will take you to this place. Next thing to do now is to click on register button here. So when click on register, put your username, email, password, repeat password, then this one, then agree with this, then click on register. So let me quickly do it for you guys. So username could be anything. So after filling in like this, just click on I'm not a robot. So mountains or hill, select all images with mountain or hill. So let me try verify like this. Oh, great. Then click on agree and click on register button. Then here it will verify you're a human. Just click it. Your account has been created. So let's go and check our email now. I think they'll put a message for us to confirm. So let me try to log in first. I'm not a robot. Why is this showing me all this? I think maybe because I use private browser. I click on sign in. Oh, great. So this thing I've opened here now. You see, it has opened. So next thing to do now is to click on this new shorten link. So this is what you do. The moment you open this now, click on this new shorten link. Then here you paste the link now. This is the link from the video of that TikTok video, viral TikTok video we're talking about now. So then you click on shorten. Good. So that this is what we need now. The more people click on this on this link now, the more we'll be making our money. So let's head straight back to Pinterest. So this link aspect now, this is where we will now paste it. Great. So this is what we need. Okay, so we block this link because it may lead to spam. So they don't want link from this. So next thing to do is they don't want it. Oh, it's true. They don't want to. They have started declining this shrink me link now. So cut it. So we are heading straight to tiny URL now. So from tiny URL, and so then let me paste the link here. Paste, then click on shorten link. Great, it has been shortened now. Then click on copy from here. Copied. So let's go back. Then let's paste this one now. Great, that's all. So board, you can put this among any board you've created before. Tag topic. So from here now, you will click on publish. That's all. Just click on publish from here. Let me publish it. Publish. So it's publishing now. It's published already. So I have tried to do SEO ranking for this thing now. You'll be seeing engagement on this now. It's because it's now optimized. This is how to make money from this now. By people clicking on this, watch this, you are making money from this. Then that's not all. You can that link, you can put the link anywhere or your WhatsApp status also. Just ensure that people are clicking that link. The more people click the link, the more you can make money from it. The more people click on it, the more you'll be making money from it. So when making enough money, you can click here to withdraw your money. And you can also do referral through here. Click here to refer people. You see referral link here now. So this is your referral link. You can copy this link and give to anybody, and they can also make money from this. So guys, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know you have been benefiting from this channel, you get value, subscribe, give me a like on this video, and drop the comment based on the keyword I've given you. Make money watching TikTok, make money online, and so on like that. Then please, if you have interest in any of these, I'm showing you this on my screen now. If you have interest in any of these video, any of this now, you can also click to go and benefit more from my channel. So guys, I love you for your time, for giving me your time. I love you guys for supporting this channel always. Thank you. Bye for now.